Hi there guys, this is Trevor from RMK Outdoors and I have a really fun video today. As you guys can tell from the title of the video, I managed to get my hands on a couple new pairs of boots from Salomon, and this one being the X Ultra Mid 4 GTX. So before I get too in depth, this is just going to be more of an unboxing. As you can see, the box is already like this. They shipped it in a bag, so I already opened that up, but it's not like a full unboxing. But we're gonna open it up. We're gonna see what they look like, talk about the differences, at least from what I can tell from their website here, and do kind of a first impression. So if you guys are new to the channel, we are growing, and if you guys like this sort of content, go ahead and hit like or subscribe. It really helps me out and I can keep doing this for you guys. This Salomon makes some of my favorite boots I've ever worn. The X Ultra 3 was an amazing boot. I have a review on my channel I can link to you guys. I actually moved those boots on, so I won't be able to do a comparison between these and the 3s, but I remember, I used them for a while. I loved them. So I want to see if these are up to the standard, and then I'll do a full review of this down the road. I also have the the Quest 4s. But I have the new Quest boot as well. I do have the old one still, which I've been using, so I can do a comparison of those two, but we're going to get into this. I don't want to ramble on too much. So off the bat, these are brand new from Salomon. They come in at $165, full waterproof Gore-Tex, an amazing boot, one of my favorite lines of boots. So we're going to hop right into it here. I have the, let's see, Kelp Black Safari color. I think Coyote is amazing, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up here. I can quit talking and show you guys, and here it is. Look at that. So I think this boot is one of the cleanest looking boots there is, no matter what model it is. Beyond excited to get the, I was just making sure my size was right. I did get 10s on this. Super happy I got my hands on these. And as you can tell off the bat, it is a little different looking than what Salomon's used to. You've got this kind of heel cup here. I really wish I had my 3s, but I had to move them on. You have this kind of up here, and the thing about these boots is Salomon makes amazing trail running shoes, and this is pretty much a trail running shoe in a mid boot with Gore-Tex waterproofing, a little bit beefed up outsole. I just absolutely love this thing. The lacing, the tongue, wow. I mean, honestly, I really hope I like it because I love the way it looks. But again, that's going to be down the road. So let's run through some features of this guy quick. Let's see. Need to know information. What did they update? Obviously, trail-inspired agility. That's that kind of trail shoe expertise coming through. You've got the same Contra Grip outsole here. Oh, let's make sure I focus on this real quick. Contra Grip outsole, one of my favorite outsoles. It stays grippy even when it's wet out. An amazing compound by Salomon. It's on all their good boots, and I really can't say enough good things about it. I did hike Bierstadt last summer in my 3s of the X Ultra, and I just loved them. And then I went backpacking with a couple trail running shoes from Ultra, I got a lot of shoes in my head, from Salomon. I did use the X Ultra 3 on Bierstadt. I loved it. And then I was using, for some of my backpacking shoes, I was using a Salomon trail running shoe, and I kind of missed that ankle support. I don't think I really need it, but when you have this light of a boot, why not? So they said they enhanced the stability, which I didn't really have problems with the stability on the old one, but I believe it's this strap here, the active support strap here. So I did read on the non-mid a couple bad reviews, people saying it was plasticky feeling, but I mean, this is their normal like ripstop fabric with Gore-Tex inside and then leather on the outside. The only plasticky feeling part I can feel is this strap, and it's not even plasticky feeling. So I don't know. You always got to take reviews, written reviews with a grain of salt. You never know if someone, just wants to dog in the company. But from what I can tell, this is just an improved model, and we're gonna have to see. But all right, let's get into it. Let's keep going. All-terrain grip. You've got the Contra Grip outsole, obviously. All right, I'm trying to see if there's anything different. You still have the Energy Cell midsole, which is great to see. A midsole is very important, giving you that energy return that you want. I believe the tongue is different. The tongue is fully gusseted. Yep, it is fully gusseted to keep debris out. And then again, you have the full Gore-Tex waterproof system, which I've never had a problem with Gore-Tex. I absolutely love the stuff. My feet have never gotten wet, short of submerging your whole boot, which obviously those are those bad reviews that we're going to read. The heel cup, you do have a pull tab, nice stable heel cup here. Lacing system looks about the same as we're used to. I'm going to get rid of this tag so it quits flopping around on here. Nice paracord style laces. Look at that. They even match. I mean, this is a clean looking boot. The lacing system was amazing on the 3. So I believe on the 3 it went 2 notches down. This one has a fixed notch, which is fine because you don't really need the 2. You just need 1 to kind of lock it in and let your foot slip in. I believe that's why they probably did that. So looks like there's plenty of opening. Oh my god, I can't wait to use these. The full review will be down the road, but I am going to use these this weekend on a trip up to the mountains for some photography. And I do have a wider foot. I bought a 10, which is what I wear in almost everything, so that should fit. And then hopefully the wide fits, or the width fits, but plenty of room to get your foot in with the 1 clasp. And then, you know, Salomon's lacing system is honestly, they're always good, whether it's their quick lace on their trail running shoes, this lacing system, or the Quest one, which is a little bit more burly. But, you know, I honestly, just look at that. Look at that thing. It's light. How light is it? PVC free, look at that. They can't get yelled at by everyone. Just because they're not using PVC. So yeah, here they are. Very, very clean looking boot. You have your protective toe cap. Honestly, I've never done an unboxing. I've done first impressions before, so I don't really know what to talk about. I don't want to get too in depth and make this a 30-minute long video, but I don't want to do the full, you know, review where I talk every single thing. You guys are here for a reason, and it's to see this boot. It's to see the up close shots. It's to see, you know, it in my hand. I'm not here to spit out and regurgitate every single little detail, how heavy they are. It's a Salomon boot. You guys, 90% of you probably have the old version and want to know if this is worth the upgrade, and that's what we're going to try to figure out here. The gusseted tongue looks amazing. Can't wait to try that. Let's see, make sure I'm not missing anything here. Oh, there's already a 5-star review. Look at that. All right, I said I wasn't going to do it. 425 grams. 11 millimeter drop. That's actually quite aggressive. The 12 millimeter drop on the Brooks Ghost in the running world is aggressive. So 11 mil, you're going to be just tromping down hills. All right, guys, that is going to be it. I will have a video of the Quest. I got my hands on that as well. So if you guys are interested and you want to see the differences, that will also be a video down the road. But I am going to film the unboxing and first impressions of those alongside, because they are 2 different boots. They serve different purposes. I'm going to be using this for hiking, backpacking, quick stuff, you know, trips, photography trips, videography stuff, where I want to stay light on my feet and have a nice boot. That's what this is going to be. Anything, well, in the winter, fall, where I need that higher boot, a more burly boot, hunting, not backpacking, car camping, or I'm just kind of sitting around, that boot's going to be it. But yeah, so if this helped you guys, if you appreciate this kind of content, I know a lot of you are probably going to watch this video because I love seeing the boot in person, and that's why I wanted to get this out. So again, if you guys like this kind of content, hit subscribe or like if I helped you out. And everyone who's shown support, please keep it up. It means a lot to me. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.